Hello, good day to everybody. We are at Light&Building. My name is Dario Sala. I'm supporting the business development in the Eelectron company, and we are here to expose all the news that we have for this March 2024, exhibition that here is in Frankfurt. So we talk about hospitality as a part of the user experience, but the activities that we are doing also bring to the commercial and the smart buildings. In this case, you can see here many of our products that are available that refers both to the part related to the detectors, the touches and the switch line that is a part of the solution for the smart buildings. We call more and more that connected lighting because the way in which we interact through the multi-sensor that drives many different information, measurements from temperature, humidity, CO2, sound as decibel. There is also a BLE connection for mobile application concept, drives all the connected solution and brings the value proposition about the room and space automation, depending on the project types, of which even in the same building you can combine closed offices to open spaces or areas. The fact that there are offices, university campuses, that are even an hospital or other places are simply the part on which the technology is, working on, thanks to the software that we run through the DTS part that enables to configure all the devices in the proper way. But lighting is not only the elements that refers to the smart building concept. We are launching a full DALI 2 certified line as a part of the DALI Alliance, on which we are able to manage dedicated projects with the DALI based, both from a control point of view with the KNX DALI gateway that does all the commands and do the multi-master for the various activities, the multi-sensor with the same functionalities and very similar features that are available also in the KNX technology, push button interface and the other elements. So what we want to say with all of that we have a full actuator families, both to run blinds, lights, comfort, in the combination even in the same product or in different products that fulfill in a variety of the solutions that are really, bringing the ability to drive a smart building concept and for the occupants that are there. What we do in terms of actuator is a very extensive line. We invested a lot across the past years, and we are investing a lot over the time in order to bring more and more capable devices with a simple way to configure, but also to modify and to extend. Because one of the features in a smart building must be flexible, so functionalities can really be changed over the time. Another important item on the smart buildings are the connectivity. So the ability that we do have to provide and to offer to the customers, to the KNX programmers and others, the ability to connect KNX, but not only. There are MQTT, there is BACnet, of course the DALI that we already talked, as different ways of which the information can be really shared and bring on the table to different type of applications that can be from third-party companies, from BMS solutions to space solutions, which a data from the multi-sensor can be used to show the percentage utilization of meeting rooms of the specific areas that are more used compared to the others. And this goes from a digital dashboard, of which you can see are some examples to the way in which we approach in a standard, secure and connected way, in KNX secure, in MQTT secure, and in the other solutions, brings an ability to really offer this portfolio to provide applications they requested and to connect it to the system that has been selected by the customer, by the specifier from the engineering firm and so on. From a user experience point of view, one of the main launches that we are taking here in the Light&Building is the all-use solution, which is our switch and thermostat line. We just launched with different materials. You can see the type of flexibility and modularity you can have in terms of button, icons and the other functionalities, the colors, the different type of material to fulfill different requirements from the market. That can be a high residential, can be a smart home, can be offices, can be a campus, can be university and so on. There are a lot of things that we are launching in that respect, including a portal on which you can do the digital part of the customization in order to see how it looks like from your project, and then can be directly produced, one is approved and of course ordered. The All-U is one of the major user experience initiatives that we are taking in order to fulfill the changing requirements on the market. So we add these to the full lines that are already available, which is the glass line and the touches that are just launched more than 1 year ago, that are a part of the user experience for the occupants, that drives to you the ability to select different solutions, even for the same building, taking advantage to the same technology and connectivity, as we said, to any kind of supervision system or ad hoc application for the occupant point of view, for example, in a smart home. So, of course, All-U is our latest news in terms of user experience. And this is going to join to other user experiences which are already well received from the market, and there was also design award like the 9025, the 3025, and of course the full touch line that drives the ability to manage any kind of user experience, from a simple push button to something more complete like a touch, with the different formats from 4.3 up to 10, with even a mobile app that mirrors the graphics to simplify the user experience and to move forward to particular vertical markets in which the hospitality and the high residential are really very close to each other. The hospitality for us means the full ability to provide a guest room management system for hotels or bed and breakfast or those type of buildings with different dimensions, and this goes to the full ability to host the guest from the entrance, inside the room, the common areas, and all the other parts to a building that is dedicated to the hotel. The customization capabilities, including the connectivity to lock systems and the property management, drive the full sense that is really a dedicated guest room management system called eSuite, on which we fulfill hotel requirements in the way in which they want to be smart hotel from one point of view to the hotel staff, and to increase the guest experience for the people that are going to visit and to stay there. The vertical markets for hospitality is not the only one. Clearly, the smart building also covers offices and the others, which is the other section of the booth that we have here to the Light&Building, to really expose the full portfolio as product applications and solutions by vertical markets.